Good morning, everybody. It's CryptoPher here with my latest Bitcoin, Litecoin updates. Not too much because I don't want to be a reporter of things. There's so much going on. But right now, I will let you know that my Litecoin and Bitcoin holdings have been doing very well, and I do not recommend. I don't give financial advice, but I don't recommend anybody get in at these points because it's just been such a rally. Sorry, the lighting's bad, but it's morning and I just got back from work. I usually work graveyard shifts, so I can be awake during the day to trade and then go to sleep and go to work when I wake up later. But anyway, because of the Bitcoin rally that's just been so dramatic, I've been telling people to look at it at 3,000. That's what I've been looking at it at 3,000. I said I'm gonna buy back in when it hits 5, and then when it hits 3, I dollar cost averaged, and man, great decisions. If you didn't buy in at those times, I am definitely not recommending you get in right now because the rally has just been nonstop, up, with like very slight pullbacks. Everyone goes, "Oh man, now is the time," and then the shorts come in. I dare you to short Bitcoin. I want you to short Bitcoin and Litecoin. Just short the heck out of it, because you are the people who are going to drive Bitcoin and Litecoin up higher. Because as you short and these coins start to rally, you're going to get such a frickin' squeeze that you're going to help us to skyrocket to the moon. So please put leverage shorts on the market. I want you to. I dare you. Short these markets, and that's not FOMO. FOMO would be, oh, Bitcoin's going to crash. Oh, Litecoin's going to crash. But we have a halving in Litecoin. So those people who are mining Litecoin are going to be cut in half. It's going to go down from about 25 Litecoin to about 12. So you're going to get a halfer there. So Litecoin's going to be even rarer to earn. So this is going to make Litecoin more valuable. So Litecoin's been rallying dramatically alongside Bitcoin, a little bit more than Bitcoin even in many cases, because people know that the halving is coming before Bitcoin's halving. Bitcoin's halving also, but Litecoin's going to have first. So, and it's going to be sometime close to August. All right, so I dare you, short these coins. Please short them big time. Bring in millions in short, billions even. Be a billionaire. Have some balls like you billionaires say you have. Put $1 billion on it. Put $1 billion on shorting these. Please help us get to the moon. Help us get to the moon. I would so love to get slingshot right up to the moon. This is what I've been waiting for. And I've heard of markets like this. I've never been in a market like this where this bull market has just gone so crazy straight up. I mean, I've made good money in oil, but oil doesn't even compare to this. I mean, I've turned like 2,000 into 40,000 from oil, but this is something amazing. And I like I said, short it. Short it, and if you win shorting it, thank you because you allow me to buy it cheaper. But if you lose shorting it, thank you because you allow what I already hold to go to the moon. So either way, no matter what you do, you short it. Short. I want to buy more, and I also want to take some good profits. So no matter what you do, short. That's all I say. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you, do what you want to do already. You don't like Bitcoin. You don't like Litecoin. You think we're all fools. So go on, put your money where your mouth is, and short, please. Please short. So that's my message to you right now when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Yeah, other than that, I'm just enjoying these markets. But again, if you haven't gotten in and you're not a short person, I do caution you that the rally has gone from 3,000 up to 8, almost 9,000. And that's really risky for you to come in at that point. I really don't recommend that you do that. I don't give financial advice, but that's just me saying, you know what? It's better to be safe than sorry. And if you decide to get in at a late point. I mean, part of it is you should have gotten in when everybody else was saying it was time. And it's kind of hard, it's hard to figure out. There's so many cons in this world. It's so hard to figure out what is the best time. I mean, the thing could go to zero. It could still go to zero. We don't know. But I'm putting my money where my mouth is, just like I'm asking the shorts to do. And so far, it's been a wonderful ride. And I'm a little cautious about June coming up, because with such good rallies, I kind of want to see what the first weeks of June are going to be like. So I may take a little bit of profit. I may take about half off. I'm still thinking about it. There's still a couple days in May left. But usually in a new month, and we have this little sell in May and go away type saying that happens in markets. Doesn't always hold true, but I still would like to be cautious, because the stock markets are showing that they're not that strong. And sell in May and go away may be applying to stock markets, but like I said, eventually you lose enough money in the stock markets, you lose enough money in the economy, capitulation tends to happen in all assets of value, because people need money. It's that dollar milkshakes theory that I've been subscribing to from Brent Johnson. It's been spot on. He's been nailing it. And since the Fed raised interest rates, it's really caused issues with debt. So they've made debt more expensive, not just here in the US, but also worldwide. People borrow in dollar terms worldwide, and raising interest rates on their dollar loans has caused big problems. Auto industry, which is a debt-based business and industry, is hurting big time. So you're seeing a lot of jobs being cut in the auto industry and manufacturing, and pretty soon you'll see the dealerships getting squeezed too. You may see a lot of dealerships close just because people aren't going to be able to buy cars. And if not, you're going to start to see really good deals on buying a car. So I'm waiting. I need to trade in my truck for a new 4x4, and because I bought a trailer, and this truck I have is a little old. I've been waiting because I just think everything's too damn expensive. Everything that's based on credit is too damn expensive, because people have been able to get credit cheap and help them to buy all kinds of crap. So it drove up all the prices of all those things, assets and liabilities combined. And at this point, I want to buy a truck, so I'm going to wait. And I think very soon I'm going to be able to get a good discount on a truck. And with my money accruing value, by being parked in something that is not printable, like fiat currency, they cannot create cryptos as easily as they do fiat currency. So every paycheck I get goes right into that. And I just got my new Ledger Nano X, and it came with a Ledger Nano S. So I've got 2 new wallets to add to my cryptocurrency collection, and I'm gonna start filling those up as well. And I recommend, like Bix Weir, I recommend get your money off the exchanges. I had some money on Cryptopia, about $1,000 worth in altcoins that I couldn't buy on any other exchange. And, I was trading it from time to time, but, as of late, I kind of, got where I wasn't really paying attention to it. And it bit me in the butt, because Cryptopia went into liquidation. And now they're holding my value there, and most likely it's not my value anymore, and I'll never see it again. C'est la vie. That's the cost of not getting a crypto hard wallet, having your cryptocurrency off the exchanges. So, and it's tough because you want to be able to trade on an exchange. So you want to have some value on there. You want to keep at least some dollar value on there. But it doesn't matter whether you hold crypto or you hold stable coins or dollar coins. Doesn't matter. When an exchange goes down, it's going to take your money with it. So you got to really time it. Do you want to hold your money forever on that exchange? No, I would just deposit it, trade it, get the crypto off. If you're going to play trader, like you want to be on all the time trading, like I said, long-term trading does not win. that's gambling. And the longer the house keeps your money, eventually the house always keeps the money. So you don't want, it's like Vegas, you keep your money on the casino table, eventually the house gets it. The longer you keep it there, the house gets it. So you don't want to do that. You want to cash out. And that is not financial advice. That's just words of wisdom that if you want to take it, it's up to you. If you don't, it's up to you. I'm just giving you a little bit of painful experience that I had with my cryptocurrencies. And fortunately, I didn't keep all of my cryptocurrencies on Cryptopia. I only had a small portion of my portfolio on Cryptopia, just a very small portion, because I was able to access those obscure altcoins. And I regret not transferring those altcoins onto a hard wallet, but on an external wallet. But hey, there you go. In fact, I had a lot of Digibyte on there. That one hurts the most because Digibyte's been on a tear. What else did I have on there? I had Digibyte. I had Redcoin. What other coins did I have on there? I only had a couple on there. I had Monero. I didn't have to have them on those, but I had them on there because it was convenient for me at the time. And something in my gut was telling me I need to take it off, but I let it go too long. So, c'est la vie. There it is. If I'm lucky and Cryptopia has honest people on it and they have an honest liquidation and they are just holding our assets, I may get them back, but I don't know how that would be accomplished. I sent an email to them and I haven't gotten an email back. So that already is a bad sign. When you don't get a response, you're not going to get your cryptos either. And it's possible that when they're in liquidation, they're already bankrupt. So guess who gets paid first? Your first lien holders, and those are usually your investors. If they invest money in you, they're the ones who get paid back first. And then the depositor traders, they get nothing, or they get paid second. And usually there's nothing left after they pay the first lien holders. The first lien holders, that's it. Then they're in liquidation, that's it. It's gone. So I'm not holding hope in it. But if it happens, that would be a great gravy on the top to get them back. And I would appreciate that. I would say thank you, Cryptopia. And I am kind of sad because I did like the Cryptopia platform. It was different from the others, and I know it wasn't as popular, but I didn't care. I liked the platform, so I'm sad it's gone. At the same time, I'm still on Binance and I'm on Coinbase. Coinbase is still probably the main one and the best one because you have the easiest chance of liquidating. You have only a few cryptocurrencies listed on Coinbase, and that are tradable, that are purchasable. So it keeps your paying attention to your portfolio very easy, and it also helps you, since your Coinbase account is linked to your bank account, it helps for liquidation and withdrawal. Very, very easy withdrawal. The other exchanges, I don't find that to be as easy unless they've changed. Of course, Coinbase right now is my primary trading or purchasing platform at this point. All right. What you want to do is up to you. I'm not going to FOMO you in. You pretty much have missed the boat already. Can Bitcoin go to 1 million? Yeah, but is it going to go straight up to 1 million? I doubt it. There's probably going to be a pullback at some point. And when that happens, maybe that would be a good opportunity for you to buy in. But will you have the balls to buy in? Are you going to be courageous enough, or are you going to be too scared that it will drop further? That's on you again. I've already bought in at 3. I doubt it's going to go back to 3 ever again. And, you may be lucky if it gets back to 5. So it's something to consider if you haven't gotten in already. And if you want to get in now, again, you're assuming the risk that it's going to correct right after you get in. Because we've been on a tear straight up, and it's been holding, which shows bullishness. Yikes, my light went out because this video is too long. But anyway, even though it shows bullishness, I would be cautious. That's just me. I'm just talking to myself out loud. Maybe if you're wise, I'm talking to you. I don't know. All right, y'all, good morning. If you like this content, even though the light went out on me, if you like this content, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you know when I put in a new video, whether it's about economics, cryptocurrencies, philosophy, or religion, which is something that I've been recently liking to do. Because there are a lot of issues in my church, the Catholic Church, and I like to address them as from someone who is Catholic. You get another perspective rather than most of the haters who hate Catholicism and love to pounce on the religion due to the bad things that happen of a few evil people that are within the religion, but they like to blanket the whole religion with that behavior. I'm coming from the inside to show you that there are still good people within the religion. And it's not the religion, it's the people, the bad people that are causing all the problems for us. But anyway, like, subscribe, hit that notification, and most importantly, share if you feel like everything that I talk about will benefit you or someone else, or your friends, or your family, or your enemies, or whatnot. And you can support me. I usually have links to my cryptocurrency vaults in the comments below. I appreciate all donations I've received so far and any more that will come in the future, because I provide these videos for free. YouTube does not monetize me, and YouTube doesn't allow me to be searched at this point. So any support you can give me, I greatly appreciate it. And you know, you help me to provide better content in the future, because of course doing this for free doesn't yield very much other than I'm just educating people at my own expense. And I would like to do it with better quality, and your donations and your support would help me to upgrade my equipment, give me the ability to build a studio, because I'm not going to use my own money for that. I would rather not invest in that. The only way would be is if people show me they like the content and they donate, then I would do it for you. So, but again, I have received some few donations, some small ones, and I do still appreciate it no matter what size. You know, a few Satoshis adds up eventually to a Bitcoin. So thank you very much for those who've donated. And I also have links to my Dash wallets, my Ethereum, things like that. You know, I better check on that, because better check that link. Now that I'm talking about Cryptopia, I better check where I'm sending my donations to. Don't want to be sending it to the liquidation people, giving them donations. I know the Bitcoin one and Litecoin and Ethereum are updated, but the Dash one, I don't think I've updated yet, because I haven't really been looking at my Dash. And I know Dash had a different wallet. So let me look into that before you donate Dash. Just a heads up. Probably by the next video, I'll have the Dash updated. All right. Thank y'all. Appreciate it. Peace. Love.